Hi, my name is Sanath, founder of AutoDocCreator, and in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to convert the data in a Notion database to PDF files. So as you can see, I have got a travel insurance database over here, which has all the related information for travel insurance, and I'm going to create a PDF file one by one for every record of this database with the help of this Google document template that we have over here. So we have a travel insurance certificate document placed over here, and we'll be using this Google document as the template file, and we'll be using this database as a source of information which will be converted to PDF files. So how exactly will this work? For this we will require an Autodoc Creator extension, which will be an add-on that will be installed on the Google document. In order to get this extension, just head over to Autodoc Creator and click on Get Automation Access to gain access to this extension. So once you have this extension installed, we need to start mapping the fields of the database onto the document, and then we can generate the PDF files. Now I have already set up the automation which required adding the database over here, and you can see that it has created three additional columns over here, which is generate PDF, PDF file links, and PDF files. So once we mark this as ready, it will start generating the PDF files for us, and it will store the PDF file inside a Google Drive folder which we have over here, and also it will add a PDF file link onto this section over here. So we need to start mapping the fields to begin the automation process. So we need to click on map fields. It will fetch all the properties of this database one by one, which will be used to set up the entire automation process. So you can see it is showing me all the properties. So let me first get the policy number which is required. So we need to map the policy number field. So just type policy and you can see the policy number. Let me click on copy. This will copy the policy number, and I will use Control V or Command V on my keyboard to paste this value. So let me paste it. Let me put it in a different color so that it will be clearly visible when we are going to generate. Then we need the coverage period. So let's get the coverage period. Let me quickly copy this. Let me remove this part and let me paste it. So I'm going to quickly map three fields over here, which we can later on use to generate a PDF. Let me get the destination, click to copy and paste it. So what I've done is I have quickly mapped three different fields from the database that we have over here onto the document. You can obviously follow this process for rest of the fields in the document. But with these three fields being mapped, I'm going to create the PDF files that will be created inside this database. So what we will do next is we will simply turn this generate PDF column into ready status, and then we will be able to generate the PDF files out of this. So this is currently under ready status. Let me go to Autodoc Creator and let me click on generate PDF. Now this will start the automation process, and it will quickly convert these particular records into PDF files. So as you can see, it has started processing the last one, which will create the PDF file right over here, and we will be able to see the PDF files once the output is processed. So you can see the first file is already out. Let me click on this link and you will be able to see the first document has been mapped with the corresponding values from the database. So you can see the values have been mapped from the database that we have over here. So all the values that you see over here has been placed inside this certificate that we see. So let's see the other files. So the second file is also out. Let me click on this and you can see the second file is also showing, and let me click on the last one. So this is also showing the entire automation. So you can see we quickly mapped three PDF files out of the database, and everything has been generated inside this Google Drive as well. So if you observe this Google Drive, this also has the PDF files created inside this. Now the beauty of this automation is that once the fields are properly mapped, you can create a scheduled automation from here. So once you click on this, it will ask you to run a scheduled automation. So you can choose any interval from here. So let's say you want to run it every 5 minutes. You can save this process, and every 5 minutes it will automatically check the database, and if finds any record under ready status, it will automatically create that record as a PDF file. So anything you mark under ready status, it will automatically convert that into PDF files. So once you have quickly mapped everything, just use the schedule automation and set your interval. It will automatically generate the PDF files right inside the database. So this was it for the demonstration. Once you get access to the automation, you will find all the steps for setting up the automation correctly, and you can use this entire automation